All right. So, this year we're using Google Classroom, and your Google Classroom, it's pretty, I feel like it's pretty basic. Where it says quick links, I'm going to be adding a link to our class YouTube playlist, which is where I'll put all of our videos for the year, your instructional videos. So if you're absent or if you want to go back and rewatch something that we did in class, because you missed something or want to make sure you got all your notes together, this is where this will be. So there'll be a quick link to our playlist. If you are absent, I will also have like the daily agendas will be listed on here. So it'll tell you what we did for the day, what took place, what things are. So like this is what we're doing today. It does get pushed down because it's a stream. So like literally it streams. It just everything gets pushed down. Some things that are important I will push back to the top for the day. But things do get shuffled down. Okay. As you can see that it'll post anytime you should get an alert or a notification anytime anything is posted on the stream. And yeah, so this is our Google Classroom that we'll be using. This is where your grades will be. This is where I will grade things here first before I grade them in Teams, because then I export them into Teams. Does that make sense? So grading happens here first, and then I'll move things over. All right. Um, Classwork. Your classwork is literally everything. Your notes, your assignments, your all information that you need to be great in this class. Okay, perfect. So as you can see here, remember I told you we have our first two assignments on here. Okay. So our first two assignments that you're going to be working on for the next, I'm going to give you about, I feel like you can do it in 5-ish, 10 minutes, are going to be our class syllabus. So after we kind of talked about the class syllabus, you're going to answer questions here. If you need a refresher, you can look over it. But we went through the main parts of the class syllabus. Y'all remember just doing that? You're gonna do that and you're gonna respond here. Good thing. A thing that annoys me about Google Classroom, there's no next button. So you can't toggle between. You have to go back to your course, go back to your classwork, and then resume from whatever you were doing. Okay. So then there's the class procedures. You'll answer the 3 questions and then go from there. Okay. Discussions are meant to be open forums. So 1, you can see everybody in your class's response, and 2, you can edit your response. So like let's say everyone was putting D as an answer and you put C, and you're like, go back and look, and you're like, oh, I guess it is D. I see what I did wrong. Bam, you fixed it, right? So that is how that works. Okay. Questions, comments, concerns.